Welcome, CFO and HR leaders. I'm Rhett, a benefits consultant. I help employers ditch bloated traditional medical plans, cut their healthcare premiums, and build a smarter benefits plan that actually attracts and retains top employees. Today, I want to share why healthcare costs are out of control and how to take back control. Now, here's the truth. Most employees don't understand their health plan. They don't know what's covered, where to go, or how to get the most out of it. And it's not their fault. It's just never been explained in a way that makes sense to them. So what happens? They go out of network, they skip preventative visits, or avoid using benefits you've already paid for. That's how you end up spending $10,000 per employee and getting $1,600 worth of value. Second, most people are health illiterate. 88% don't know how to choose care based on cost or quality. Instead, they pick the hospital they've heard of, not realizing prices vary 5 times between facility for the same procedure. And let's not forget the silent killers, chronic conditions such as diabetes, hypertension, musculoskeletal issues. They're all manageable, but with the right care at the right time. And guess what? Employees won't get there without your support. The biggest drain on your healthcare spend isn't catastrophic claims. It's the steady churn of $25,000 and $100,000 claims that build up year after year. That's why we focus on reducing claim volatility by empowering employees with guidance, navigation, and access to smarter care. Because better choices equal lower cost, and lower cost means you have a happier CFO and way happier, healthy employees. Let's fix this and break the cycle. Your future self, your growth plan, and your employees will high-five you. DM me and let's break the cycle with a plan that fits your employees and your bottom line. Until next time, stay curious, stay bold, and drive the change.